my joy this morning to be attending this opening because I personally know Ma'am Ethel kaya siya man ang magsugod ako sa SK President. Siya dyan ako gidaganan dahil for my first few barongs, no, ginako na Ate Karen niya. So, thank you Ma'am Ethel because tinuod dyan to ang giingon ni Ate Karen away ni Pastor nga. We are all given talents yun, but not everyone is willing to share their talents to other people. Diba? Na-adyo yung mga tao nga, they would want to keep their talents from other people. They would want to not share their talent because handog sila malakwan, handog sila na makompetensyahan, handog sila na ang kaya niya, kaya sa uban. But in a world where we are ought to live with each other and not live for ourselves, it is very much like what Ma'am Ethel does every day, na dapat kita matinabagay.
I am so proud when I saw this place, when I received the invitation of Ethel, when nanaan na siya vocational school pursuing. Although she is an inspiration, iyan i-share ang iya, mga know-how sa
tayo dressmaking din sa hormone na course. So, makatabang sa itong livelihood, sa itong mga solo parents, kung itong mga babae nga na ay trabaho, happy na po ng mga lalaki. So, supportado kayo din naman sa SDC. So, Ma'am Ethel, thank you for opening this kind of training center here in our city. And we wish you very good luck in the coming years and we will support you.